Today we're out here having a real fun family day at the Rosenberg Railroad Museum, just out playing. They have tons of stuff for the family. I know they do family fun days like this all the time, so we encourage everyone to come out and enjoy it and have a blast. Got water stuff for the kids during summer to cool down, lots of great educational stuff, and it's just a lot of fun, so we really love it.
All right, today at the Rosenberg Railroad Museum, we've got our summer fun day going on. So we're showing our guests our garden railroad, taking them up through our caboose into Tower 17, through our Grand Trunk business car, and into our model train room. We've also got all sorts of activities for the kids. We've got some water balloons going on. We've got a bounce house for them. We've got pickleball. We've also got our model train room open for them and our playroom open for the kids. So our caboose was built in 1972 and is actually built to run for the Missouri Pacific Railroad, which is actually what the MOPAC logo on the side stands for. The caboose is built to carry three specific people: the conductor, the brakeman, the flagman, because in the days of steam trains, they needed a lot more people to run the trains. On the very far end of our property, we also have our model train room, where we keep models of our O gauge, HO gauge, and N gauge trains to run for our guests.